Hello, in this episode we're going to be looking at this Darth Vader Simon memory game from 2016. I recently picked it up from a charity shop. It was, you see here, £1.49 from the Children's Society, I believe it was, yeah. So, at the time I didn't know if it was working or not because there didn't have any batteries in the shop. And I just liked it as a piece, sort of saw it as a Darth Vader. I thought it would be quite nice on the wall even if it didn't work. And I didn't really know it was a memory game until I got outside the shop. I just thought it was kind of I knew there was buttons there on it. I thought it might be like a soundboard or something like that, which would be quite cool. And then as I was walking out, I saw on the back there it says Simon. So I thought, it's the late 70s, early 80s memory game. So anyway, come out, put some batteries in it, and I did this, and I was just like, whoa! I don't care if the game doesn't work as long as it does this. I was like, wow, I could use that as a doorbell. So I went to play the game. So you press the green to start. How cool is that? And there's the problem. That button doesn't work. So let's take it apart. I have got some replacement buttons from another project. So I've got loads of 2 pins for 4 pins. So hopefully it's just replacing that. So let's take it apart and I'll see what's inside. So first of all, let's take the batteries out. It's 3 AA batteries. There we go. It's a bit grubby on the outside, but I'll give it a clean once I get it working, or if I can get it working. But it's just cool to have. I can hang it on the wall. It's got these bits at the top there. I can create some sort of fixing and I can just hang it on the wall. So quite nice. Right, let's get these other screws out and let's have a look inside. So it's 6 altogether. Okay, final screw. Let's see what we've got inside. I imagine it's going to be quite simple. I don't know if there's a great deal going on, but let's have a look. Okay. What's that? What's that? Reset button. Okay, so got a reset button there. Let's just moved off. Remember to put that on. Now just kind of sits in the reset there. So after each game, it tells you like the highest score that you've got, and then it will keep it in its memory. I can't remember how you get that to show, but it flashed enough times. But yeah, so you can reset it so you've got your own score. So there's power going in. I suppose. So which one's the red one? So it'll be, yeah, over this side. So let's take that board out. So we've got a blob chip there, a couple of screws in the board. Right, let's see what we got. It's quite a little hefty speaker down the bottom there. I wonder what that is. I don't know. I've got a load of spare buttons. Hopefully I've got the right type. I've got 4 leg and 2 legs, so I think I've got most bases covered by that. So let's have a look. Okay, so there's the buttons. And it's that one's not working, so it seems pretty straightforward. I don't think there's a lot there to go wrong, so let's take that one off and replace it. I've got some, is it 2-pin? Let's see if I've got, yeah. I've got a few of these, as you can see, so hopefully they'll be the right size to, they look the same, don't they? Okay, well, if it's just that button, I might replace the green button as well and do all buttons. Since I've got a load of them, you sort of buy, you only want a couple and you end up buying 100. That's always the way, isn't it? Right, let's turn the soldering iron on. Ready? Right, I'm no expert in this, so if I make a mess of it, then that's the way it is, I'm afraid. Ow! Oh, my hand. Oh, look at that. You took the skin off there. That's going to sting. As I said, I'm not an expert, don't follow me. But what I do, follow the channel. See me burn myself or cut myself more times, if you like. It doesn't want to come out, does it? Come on. There we go. That's got it. Okay. Right. Let's stick the new ones in. Put the batteries in, and then we'll see if we can see if it works. It's just a case of replacement battery. The button battery, what am I on about? Right. A bit of a little bit of flux. Just to help it along. Bend them over a bit. Okay. Right, let's get these buttons on. Oh, my soldering's pulled in today. What's going on there? Okay, let's trim them up. A little bit of isopropyl alcohol. Got that alcohol even? What is going on? Right. Clean up. Whole ball, give that clean. Probably a little dusty. Yeah, right. So, lid back on this propylene alcohol because I will knock it over today by the way things are going. And now let's get the batteries back in and give it a test. Hopefully that would have fixed the issue. And hopefully it's going to be one of the buttons that comes up first, so I don't have to remember too much. So I'm going to screw that back in, and I'll just quickly, and then I'll put the reset button in. I'll put the reset button in now. I won't do any harm with it. So right, let's just get these back in. Fairly straightforward. I hope it's that button because it's just going to be a little ornament otherwise, because I think that'll be the end of how I will be able to fix it. It's got those resistors on there, but I haven't got a microscope to have a look underneath there and actually do any work on them. So yeah, fingers crossed. Let's see. Now it says, right, here we go, moment of truth. Oh, I love that. Well, it worked. I think it's working. Yeah, it is. Excellent. Well, there it goes, that's my memory. So, yeah, excellent. So that's fixed, just a replacement button. So, nice easy job, even though I did burn myself, made a bit of a mess of it. So, there we go, nothing's new, is it? So, excellent. Well, I'm Mark, and this channel is Toys and Tat. So, if you enjoyed that video, please hit like and subscribe. I also run toysandtat.com, which covers all sorts of toy related things, from the latest toy news, checklists, talk about vintage toys, a bit of toy history, and toy repair. So check that out, that's toysandtat.com. Yeah, I'm just going to give this a clean now once I've got all the screws back in, and until the next time, may the force be with you.